Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This matters because a locked device won't accept a new carrier profile. Once done, purchase a prepaid eSIM plan and save the QR or activation code. Keep payment and plan terms visible. Connect to Wi-Fi to avoid using cellular data during activation. Make sure to note APN info, data caps, and expiry dates so you won't lose service or incur unexpected charges. You scan the QR code or enter the activation code inside settings, then follow the carrier prompts. This creates a new eSIM profile on your device. Once added, name the profile and choose whether you want it as your default line for calls, messages, or data. This prevents routing confusion. After enabling the profile, make sure data and roaming toggles match your plan. If activation takes longer than a few minutes, restart your phone and recheck the eSIM page. You finish by testing calls, SMS, and mobile data. Run a quick speed check so you verify the plan is working. If you see no service, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, and reopen the eSIM settings. Sometimes reapplying the profile fixes provisioning. Make sure to compare the ICSID and activation code with your purchase receipt. If issues persist after about 15 minutes, contact the carrier support. Give them the ICSID and plan details so they can resolve provisioning or APN problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.